Tappy activated. Hello, my crypto fam. Welcome back to our digital corner. Today, we're diving into the world of cyber attacks, the pesky gremlins of the digital world, and how to prevent them. Grab your virtual shields and let's get started. Third, ransomware attacks. In ransomware attacks, malicious software encrypts your files or wallets, demanding a ransom, usually in Bitcoin, for the decryption key. Examples: the infamous WannaCry attack demanded Bitcoin ransoms to unlock encrypted files. Another instance is the Ryuk malware, which targeted multiple organizations and demanded Bitcoin payments. Prevention tips: regularly back up your wallets offline. Be cautious with email attachments and links from unknown sources. Keep your operating systems and security applications up to date. Attention! Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay educated and entertained with TapSwap and me, Tappy. See you after reconnecting. Happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.